all these nasty chips over there in the water. Bust it down. You little chickadees. Let me see you. Let me see you. Well, chill out. Chill out. Let me see you. My man. Y'all eating good? Y'all straight? What big mama at? She right here. She right here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Don't get no love. Ain't no love for Debo. Ain't no love for Debo in the chicken coop. Let me get some love for Debo. Let me get some love for Debo. Let Debo get some love. Yeah. Get the love. Alright, I got you. We're gonna set you down. We're gonna set you down. Set you down. Do your thug thizzle. Let me get this food up out of here. I'm gonna bust it down. Gotta get some water. Get this water, right? Let her go. Feeling it. The whole thing here today is I do this every other day. Come in, fill up, get water, bird feed, maybe crush it, check the duster, check the pond, little pool thing, and clean this thing out. But it's been kind of still wet, so the sand is still a little moist, so it's kind of hard to see it. But because of the type of bedding that we put in here, the sand seems to work wonders. Top to top, let her drop. And we in. You see, they've been waiting on some good fresh water. I'll holler at y'all. Y'all have a blessed one. Farmer Juan.